My name is Radian Victor Imbar. I will present my paper with title Smart Campus Model, a Literature Review. Currently, higher education in Indonesia has many challenges, ranging from competitiveness, qualification and competency of the lecturers, improving educational infrastructure, technology readiness, and so on. The idea to create a smart campus comes from the term smart city. The research question of this paper is number one, what is the suitable definition of smart campus in Indonesia? 2. How smart campus framework developed by researcher published in international journal? How is the framework used at the university? As we know, a lot of in literature explaining the framework of smart campus that include terminology, definition, framework, and best practice that has been implemented in the university. Therefore, there needs to be a review of the paper so that it can be taken framework suitable for implementation in Indonesia. The goal of this paper is to provide a reference for researchers in the smart campus field, also for university stakeholders to gain a better understanding of smart campus terminology and framework. This paper will contribute to the smart campus research topic with a focus on smart campus terminology and framework. This paper will explain about definition of smart, definition smart campus model, and the conclusion. Now we talk about definition of smart. According to Merriam-Webster dictionary, smart means operating by automation, which means an automatically operate tool. Smart means having the ability to adjust in response to changing circumstances. Romy Swansky said the system is said to be smart when it can convert information input, stimuli, into action or response. So, the information received by receptor and the effector will bring action or response. So, we now move to smart campus definition. Coley and Peeble said that smart campus is the platform used as a data foundation to encounter analysis and improvement of learning and teaching process. Liu, Samanov, and Huang said that smart campus is an integration of campus life by applying Internet of Things technology so that it has intelligent characteristics applied to various services application for stakeholder. Tikhomirov and Rutkowski said that smart campus is reform or modernization of all education processes, both method and technique use. Al-Rashid said that smart campus is an emerging trend that allow university can combine smart technology with infrastructure to provide maximum service, assist in university decision making and sustainability. Vasileva said that the campus that enable everyone from administrator to faculty and student to connect with the learning experience anytime and anywhere. Supangkat said that smart campus is campus that can manage internal and external resources effectively and efficient by using smart solution to maximize the quality of campus service and life. So, from all definition about the smart campus, we can make a summary that a university can be said to be smart if the university can use its technology to study, can resolve conflicts of interest among stakeholders, and utilize the cleverness of the public to contribute to the intelligence of the system. Stakeholders in the university are students, lecturers, employees, structural officials, shareholders, and government. Now we will explain about smart campus model. The first framework to be discussed is the SC2 framework developed by the University of Rome. The goal is to create framework to turn traditional campus into smart campus. The field of action have described. Number one is people and living. This dimension will contain assessment indicator in terms of academic, research, and administration. The quality of key services for students such as student activity, health services for campus residents, canteen services, libraries, further study services. Economic. This dimension will contain indicator of budget plan created by the campus, the quality and purpose of investment, financial transparency, a balanced allocation of grant, employee opportunities for students, partnership with industry, privately earned fund obtained from graduate, support to produce entrepreneur, startup companies, a collaboration between university, purchase of goods and asset arrangement. Energy, this dimension will contain indicator related to energy use, energy distribution, energy saving, renewable energy use, distribution network performance of both water, electricity, and gas, energy consumption, effort to make energy saving, energy production carried out by university. Environmental. This dimension will contain indicator concerning the analysis of the environmental impact that occur in terms of air pollution, green open space, waste management, and dirty water, reuse of wastewater and rainwater for daily purpose, air quality, and mobility. This dimension will evaluate transportation, logistic system, and availability of the parking lot for car, motorcycle, and bicycle, pedestrian area, the convenience of environmental friendly transportation. Some course teach about green transportation. After we define its dimension along with the indicator, then we can define variable for measurement. This table is example of the set of indicator dimension of environmental. After we set indicator, the final step is determine the strategy of the dimension. The process is its metric is associated with an impact, positive, P, negative, N, or none. Efficient action will have positive impact, can be filled +1 or 2 per field, or score -1 or -2 for action that negatively impact. After that, we can summarize in a winner for each action. And now we will discuss on the second Smart Campus model. Model iCampus. Model iCampus explored at MIT University under MIT collaboration with Microsoft Alliance. On this figure, we can describe the concept of iCampus include a smart campus digital nervous system that divided into 6 main areas. The first is iLearning, related to learning or academic. The second is iManagement, related to higher education management. How university offer one facility to facilitate centralized access and security control. How to create intelligent management system with campus. The third, iGovernance, related to the policy aspect of the higher education. The fourth, iSocial, related to the social aspect of higher education. 5. iGreen, related to environmental aspect of the campus. And the last is iHealth, related to the health aspect of the campus. Now, we explain about the third model of Smart Campus, UMA Smart Campus. The purpose of University of Malaga implement Smart Campus is to create new pathway in teaching, research, and innovation by turning the campus into a living lab and implement the campus as a smart city by itself. The methodology uses 6 pillars, namely emission, energy and water, nature and environment, health and well-being, mobility, ICT, and research, teaching, innovation. The pillar is the same like the SC2 pillar, but the last pillar is research teaching and innovation. Research involves researchers, both lecturer and student, to develop UMA Smart Campus in various fields. Teaching translate research result into teaching so that students can be facilitated with examples of projects from the real world. Innovation prepare a business incubator consisting of student, lecturer, researcher, and companies to create new business opportunity. The next model is IBM Smarter Framework, developed by IBM. IBM created the Smarter Education Framework to work with university to support university by making their university smarter using technology created by IBM. With Smart University, there is an improvement in university performance by utilizing technology to make more informed decisions, address problems, and manage resources more effectively. And the last is Garuda Smart Campus Framework. To transform the campus into a smart campus, SCCIC introduced a framework that can be used to transform the campus into smart campus. The framework is Garuda Smart Campus Framework. Garuda Smart Campus Framework is divided into three layers. Layer 1 is resources, layer 2 is enabler, and layer 3 is services. Services divided into three layers, namely first, smart management, in the form of service for human resources, asset management, procurement, finance, and dashboard. Smart living, in form of service for room entrance, parking, and payment. And Smart Tridharma, higher education, in the form of service for teaching, research, and community services. Resources are resources that are required to perform the service provided. In this model, Smart Campus is represented in three layers. The first, resource, the second, enabler, and the third is service. Service are grouped into three layers. The first is service domain, second, service cluster, and the third, service item. Resource can be upgraded to enabler. An enabler is an enhanced resource or something that is made to be leveraged of its top layer. There are three types of enabler: people, governance, infrastructure, technology, and environment. From all definition of the smart campus, we make summary that a campus can be said to be smart if the university can use its knowledge to study, can resolve conflict of interest among stakeholders, and utilize the cleverness of the public to contribute to the intelligence of the system. Smart university act like in the context of smart city, which offer intelligent services and applications to their citizens to improve their quality of life. To make traditional university into a smart campus, it is necessary to implement the framework Smart Campus. From the result of the literature review, the existing framework still follow the framework of the smart city but is adapted to the needs of the campus. For further research, we will focus on examining which framework is the best suited in apply in Indonesia. And next, we will design indicator for smart campus measurement in Indonesia. Thank you.